Hello everyone, welcome my dear 6th class students to your English 1 language chapter 6 adjective, to the part 1 video of your class. Okay, so my dear students, hope you have learned up to chapter 5. So today in this video we'll go for chapter 6. Okay, and what is the topic is adjectives. My dear students, do you know what do you mean by adjectives? And adjective comes under what? It is a part of speech. We have 8 parts of speech, right? Out of these 8 parts of speech, adjective is one of them. Okay? So today we'll know more about the adjectives. Earlier you have learnt, but still you can recap those points that indicates for your, that you can know for your the grammar adjectives. Okay? So what is an adjective? An adjective is a word which describes a noun or a pronoun. You know, my dear, very well that adjective is a word which describes a noun. Okay, either it describes a noun or a pronoun. How? For an example, in the sentences above, each picture adjectives are shown in bold. You can see here examples are given. Let us know the examples. From the examples you'll understand that how a particular word that acts in an adjective that describes a noun. He is an old man. What is this? He is an old man. And here old is your adjective. Isn't it? Old is adjective here. And here this man is noun. So always adjective comes before the noun. Isn't it? So why it comes before the noun? Because it is describing about the man. It describes about the noun. Here given not describes a noun or a pronoun. So old is an adjective that describes the noun man. That man is old, isn't it? Next one, there isn't much water in the glass. So here water is noun, okay? Before that what is given? Much. It is an adjective. It is showing that how much quantity of water is present in the glass. So before water, before noun word comes much. So this indicates the adjective, okay? That describes more about the water. Next is the woman is pretty. The woman is pretty. The word pretty is an adjective that describes more about whom? About the woman. So my dear students, don't be in confusion that always the adjective will come before the noun only. You have to see the sentences that adjective describes about the noun. Here you see the woman is pretty given. It is talking about woman. What is woman? Woman is pretty. So this pretty is talking about the woman. So this is an adjective. Okay. Now next, this is my book. Where is the noun? Book. Before what has come here? The word my. Okay. So this is what? It is an adjective. Now you can put me a question. Miss, my comes under the pronouns. How it can be an adjective? Okay. This can be as possessive adjective, my dear. Why? Because it comes before the noun. And it is describing about the book. If I say whose book it is, you will say, Miss, it is mine. It's mine. So it shows the possessive adjective. So this is my book. Whose book? My book. So this word shows the adjective. Okay, it describes more about the book, that it is yours, isn't it? Next, each hand has 5 fingers. Each hand has 5 fingers. We have 2 hands, isn't it? We have 2 hands. It shows that here each hand, each is an adjective. That means out of 2 hands, in each hand, one hand consists of 5 fingers. So it is talking about the hand. So each is an adjective here. Next, the baby is hungry. What is the baby? Hungry. So hungry word is an adjective. So as you can see, an adjective may come before a noun or after a linking verb. Like is, are, am, was, were. So either it can come, 2 things you can keep in your mind. That adjectives comes either now before noun or pronoun or else after the linking verb. So you can see here, it comes here, old comes before the noun, much is coming before the noun water, here is coming after the linking verb, is coming after the water, pretty is coming, it is an adjective, it is coming after the linking verb is, isn't it or not? Okay, here you see, it is my is an adjective coming before the noun book. Here also it is, noun is there before noun, each comes the adjective. But here you can see the baby is hungry. It is coming after the linking verb, after the helping verb. Is the linking verb. It is coming after the verb. Okay. So adjectives can come before a noun or pronoun, or else it can also come after a linking verb. So an adjective cannot be used before a pronoun. Okay, it cannot be used before a pronoun. So it can only just describe about a noun or pronoun. It can describe about a she is beautiful. She is a pronoun, isn't it, my dear? She is a pronoun. She is beautiful. If I say, then that word beautiful is describing about whom? About she. Isn't it? So it can describe about a noun or pronoun, but adjective cannot come before the pronoun. It always comes before a noun or after the linking verb. Okay, these 2 points to remember. Adjective may come before a noun, okay, before a noun or after the linking verb. Okay, my dear. Now practice is given here. Just let us go through it. Number A, underline the adjectives in the following. Now you understood very well adjectives that describes noun or pronoun. First thing. Second thing is that adjectives comes before noun or after the linking verb. These 2 things you keep in mind. Okay. Now let us see here. Underline the adjectives in the following. Number 1, little Joe Denny. There was a little boy. Okay. Boy is noun. Before that what has come? Little. So it is an adjective. Underline it, my dear students. And his name was Joe Denny. Okay. And his name was Joe Denny. Name is a what? Noun. Okay. So he is. Okay. Next. He had but one failing. He tried to be funny. He made himself noticed in all public places. Okay. So you can see here, place also a noun, public also can be an adjective, okay? By making loud noises, okay? By making loud noises and terrible faces. So here, before noise, you can see loud can also be an adjective. Faces, before face, what has come? Terrible. One day at the circus. Day is a noun, so before that one has come, so this is an adjective. He wouldn't sit down. He stood up and tried. Okay, he stood up and tried to perform like a clown. Okay, we'll go for the next page. Now number 2. The next day my wife said to me. Wife is a noun, so before wife what has come? My. So my is an adjective. We can't go on living in this spot. Spot is a noun, before that this is an adjective. It is too hot and there are no trees to shelter us from the sun. So hot, it is describing about the climate. So it is hot is an adjective. Okay. And there are no trees. There are no trees means what? Trees is also noun. So no is an adjective. Okay. To shelter us from the sun. Yesterday while you were on the wreck, the boys and I found a much better place to live in. Place is a noun, so much better. Both are what? They both are adjectives. To live in, it's among some tall trees. Trees is noun, so some and tall. Both are adjectives. On the other side of the river, why can't we build a house in the trees? They are strong enough to hold a house. So it is talking about what? They are strong enough. Here, strong and enough. Okay. So why can't we build a house in the trees? So they are strong enough to hold a house. So it's talking about the trees. So strong enough, both are adjectives. And we would be safe high up in the branches. So talking about the branches, high and up both are also adjectives. Okay. We would need a ladder to climb in and out. I objected. And how are we going to carry all our stores across the river? Okay. Stores is a noun. Here our is an adjective. Then we would need a bridge. Let's stay where we are a little longer. We are quite safe. Okay. So here you can see we are a quite little longer. So little and longer both are adjectives. We are quite safe in the shelter. Quite and safe both are adjectives. In the shelter of these rocks. Rocks now. So here before this is the word this is an adjective. And we are not so far from the wreck. Fridge, and I can go and bring more stores back. So stores is there now. More is an adjective. Okay. Now see the number 3. My sister. My sister is now. My is an adjective. Mrs. Joe Gargary was 20 years older than I. That means here what? 20 years means 20 years is now. So 20 is an adjective. Okay. She was tall and bony. Talking about, see, it is coming, talking about the pronoun, describing about the pronoun she, isn't it? She was tall and bony. That means tall, bony, both are adjectives. with a black eyes and a red face. So eyes is noun. So here black is an adjective. Face is a noun. Red is an adjective because describing about the face. Red. She had a sharp tongue. Talking about the tongue. So sharp is an adjective. And was always scolding Joe and me. I do not know why she scolded Joe so often. He was a dear, good fellow. Fellow is a noun. So before that, dear and good both are adjectives. He loved me like a father. Okay, my dear students. So till today, it is enough. Okay. So just go through it and write this grammar part and learn more about the adjectives. In my next video, we'll go for the remaining part. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you, my dear students.